When he went to Wales for a brief holiday, Joseph Herman was in a state of spiritual and artistic crisis. It was wartime. He was 1,200 miles away from his native Poland. That first day, he had a momentary glimpse of something which was to start an obsession that has been with him ever since. Many things have changed in Astrad Gunlai since Herman first set foot here. Then, it was a coal mining village. And for a long time now, the pit has been shut. You can no longer see quite what Herman saw in 1944.
The railing and the cement blocks of the bridge had golden contours. Under the bridge, out of a cold shadow, trickled a pool of water which got thinner and thinner as it ran on amidst the dry stones and glittering pebbles. Then, unexpectedly, as though from nowhere, a group of miners stepped onto the bridge. For a split second, their heads appeared against the full body of the sun as against a yellow disk. The whole image was not unlike an icon depicting the saints with their halos. With rapid steps, they crossed the bridge and like frightened cats tore themselves away from one another, each going his own way. The magnificence of this scene overwhelmed me. This image of the miners crossing the bridge that afternoon I never succeeded to paint. It mystified me for years with its mixture of sadness and grandeur. It became the source of many of my paintings. It also added certainty that this village is the right place for me. I felt my inner emptiness filling.